Okay, we're gonna take a quick look at the BirdDance headphones. Yes, these are the 2026 version. And well, the price is actually not that high for what they do. These are the USB-C version. Now they have regular 3.5mm jack version 2. I opted for the USB-C because most of the modern devices, don't have the plug. And yes, you can use them on a computer that has USB-C as well. So it's not only the phone, but in my case, we're going to test it on a phone real quick, and let's see what we have inside. I haven't tested them yet or opened them yet either, so we're going to see them together. I have a user's manual, what seems to be here, and wow, okay, that is some packaging. That is some packaging. That's actually beautiful. Okay, well, let's see what else is inside here. Looks like we have a little box that we have to pull out real quick. Okay, probably the tips would be here. Let me just check this one first, then we get to the next level. And oh, a little carrying case, like always. Yep, I have other headphones from the same brand, so I kind of expected, but this is actually really cool. Oh yeah, I'm happy with this. Look at that. Yep, the tips are right in here. Let me just check them really quick. Usually I use small or medium, because I have tiny ears, but they have the bigger ones packed here for you. Whoa, that is a lot. And 3 different colors. Look at this thing, come on. So you have the red tip, and the green one, and the regular silicone one. Now that is touch to detail. Okay, I'm happy with that. What else is here now? I have no idea, but we're gonna check this too. Oh, 2 of those blocking tips. Okay, that I actually might end up using. This is like a soft rubberized material that literally blocks all the noises around you. Especially when I'm checking tracks and stuff like that. I use this a lot, and I'm so happy they included them in. Yes, thank you guys. These are very valuable, to me at least. And well, let's see what else do we have on the headphones now. This is really cool so far. Really cool. We pull these out, and this is the wiring. Wow. That packaging though. Okay, so we don't have any pre-installed tips yet, and these are the ones that go around the ear. Especially for musicians, these are absolutely beauties, but you can use them for gaming, for other stuff as well. Come on, look at this packaging they took the time to make. This is cool. Oh yeah, this is staying. And these go around the ear like this, behind your ear, so it fits perfect. Let's go with the red tips. I'm gonna go just with the small red tips real quick. I don't know why, just I like the red tips. Okay, and let's plug them in. Just literally a matter of pushing them the right way. Okay, one is in. Let me put the second one really quick. Take it off there because it's easier to do it when you take it out of the wire. Yes, you can actually take them off the wire. Okay, just gotta patiently put it on because the fitment is very tight to make sure it's fully connected. And well, let me put this plug in really quick again. I like that part that you can take off the wire. And yeah, the body is full metal. This body here, it's not plastic. Look at that design there. That is some real beauty. Craftsmanship perfect here. The air, everything is just perfect here. Well, and the microphones and all the good stuff. And this version here, as I said, they have other versions too, but this is one of the versions I have. This version is the USB-C. This one right here, as you see, the Z3 audio. It's a 24-bit 96 kilohertz. So if you're an audiophile, you know this is the good stuff. And that's it. Besides that, you have the function button right here, as you see. Not sure if you can see it, with the microphone. And that's very simple. That's all it is to them. But now, let's actually play some music, because I know that's what you're here for. And we're just gonna have a microphone here that will pick up sound and put those sounds on a different device, separate from my microphone that I'm talking to, just so we actually get a music or a sound that is not mixed with each other. Okay, so now the audio for these will be recorded right in this microphone. Okay, we'll connect it to this Google Pixel. and see how the sound comes out to these earpieces. I'm gonna put them on my ears to see how they actually sound to me. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, the audio is top notch on these. Whoo, I can actually hear all the frequencies as they were intended. This is great. That's what I like about the previous versions that I have of these headphones. Wow. This is great. Well, besides that, I don't know what else to tell you. You can actually use them with laptops. You can use them with any device that can output audio through USB-C, and you will not be disappointed in the audio quality at all. These are actually that good. I'm not even exaggerating this one. And no, they're not paying me to say these words, but they're simply that good. And with that said, well, hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. So these are absolutely beautiful.